204 divided by 102 is equal to triangle divided by 204. So what is a triangle equal to? Let's write this out in another way. We can have 204 divided by 102 being equal to the triangle all over 204. So let's see what the triangle is equal to. We know that 204 over 102 is the same as saying 2. So we have 2 equals triangle over 204. Now let's multiply both sides by 204. Doing so will keep the algebraic expression the same, but it will allow us to eliminate this fraction at the bottom. What we'll be left with is 2 times 204 is equal to triangle. And therefore, the triangle is equal to 408. Hence, the answer to this question is D, 408.